Joseph Lister and antiseptics. Antiseptics started to play a vital role back in the 1800s and are one of the most important medical innovations in history after a high rate of patients would die from an infection after an operation. They are used to kill or slow down the growth of microorganisms, which can lead to an infection. Joseph Lister was one of the many scientists who invented antiseptics. Lister, who was not only a scientist, but he was also a surgeon, born on April 5, 1827 in Upton, England. In 1861, Lister made an observation of amputation patients' deaths, and he discovered that 45 to 50% of amputation patients died from sepsis, which is a local invasion of the body by pathogenic microorganisms or their toxins. Lister became so concerned with the high rate of post-operative deaths. In 1865, Lister learned of Louis Pasteur's theory called the germ theory of disease and came to learn that microorganisms cause infection. Using a microscope, Lister studied wound healing and concluded that microorganisms in the air were the cause of wounds becoming infected. After viewing a report of the effects of carbolic acid, which is also known as phenol, on sewage bacteria, Lister developed an antiseptic system using carbolic acid. His work. Joseph Lister applied Pasteur's theory to develop a successful system of antiseptic surgery and made the decision to spray a carbolic acid solution on his instruments and in the area that surrounded wounds or incisions in order to destroy infectious organisms and gave protection to the area from any possible new invasion by bacteria by using multiple layer dressings. With his invention, he saved the life of a 7-year-old boy with a badly injured leg by spraying his antiseptic on the boy's leg. His invention reduced the mortality rate post-operation from infection in his division of town to 15% within 4 years. His contributions. Joseph Lister spearheaded the introduction to new principles of cleanliness, which thus transformed surgical practice in the late 1800s. He introduced the world to sterile surgery and caused a change in the course of history with his invention to prevent people from infection post-operation. He became known as the father of antiseptic medicine. Antiseptic medicine was and still remains a major advancement in the world of medicine. Thank you.